heavy fighting between federal government forces and Al-Shabaab fighters broke out in areas east of Jowhar, HirShabelle region. The fighting reportedly killed some government soldiers, including the commander of the 6th GorGor Division Army, Mohamed Abdiwahid. Colonel Mohammed, commander of Th 6th Division of GorGor, Eagle for English, has been killed in a battle with the military group Al-Shabaab. The Prime Minister of the federal government of Somalia Mohamed Hussein Roble praised SNA troops and said that the armed forces will be victorious and congratulated them. I congratulate the Somali National Army for defeating Al-Shabaab terrorists in today's battle between Jilab and Lebi Barale. I hope God will stand by you and we shall stand by you and continue to support your operations in the country, said Prime Minister Roble. The Somali National Army, SNA, has been conducting operations in Al-Shabaab region in recent days, led by the commander of the armed forces, General Abdiwahid. On Sunday, General Abdiwahid told state media Radio Mogadishu that SNA forces have killed about 100 Al-Shabaab militants in recent operations in the Al-Shabaab region of southern Somalia.